password.
First enter the menu and click Parts. Click Remote. Click Add, and then click any button on the remote control to pair. Learning OK.
System disarmed.
Return to the main interface, so that you can arm and disarm on the remote control.
System disarmed. System disarmed.
First enter the menu and click Parts. Click Detector. Click Add. Select Panic Alarm on the first line. Select out Arm Active on the second line. Confirm, and then swipe the infrared detector with your hand to complete the pairing. After arming, the infrared detector can trigger the alarm when it senses the human body.
System disarmed.
First enter the menu and click Parts. Click Detector. Click Add. Turn on the door sensor switch. Select System Alarm on the first line. Select out Arm Active on the second line. Confirm. Separate the door sensor, and the pairing is successful. After arming, when the door sensor is separated, the host will alarm.
System disarmed.
First enter the menu and click Parts. Click RFID. Click Add. Put the RFID tag on the corresponding position of the host for sensing. Learning OK. Return to the main interface, so that you can use RFID tag to arm disarm.
Disarmed.